Hello, today's lesson will cover how to restore color swatch that vanishes in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Here is the downloaded file. We can't see the color swatches in this file. What should we do now? Don't worry, this can be solved very easily. First of all, go to the color swatch panel and after that click on 3-dot. Then click Open Swatch Library. Then click Default Swatches and then click Art Illustration. Then select all colors. Now click on 3-dot and click Add to Swatches. Now see all colors are present here. Thank you very much for watching the full video. Please subscribe this channel and stay tuned.